Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today's video, we will show you how to make a vanity nightlight. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need a 12 by 24 thick cardboard, 4 12 by 12 mirrors, Mod Podge, 6 packs of rhinestone, or you can use Bling rock of your choice, 4 crystal knobs, and 2 nightlights. All materials that we use will be linked in the description bar below this video. This project is a beautiful one, but if we were going to gift this to someone, we would use a wood foundation, we would use the push-in lights, and also we would use a Gorilla Glue to hold the rhinestones in place. When you are using a dry deck, you want to make sure that you are using a spackle knife to smooth it out, because we made the mistake by smoothing it with our fingers, and when it dried, we didn't realize that it dried with kind of waves and puckles in it. So when we tried to apply the rhinestone, then it looked like it was puckling, but it really wasn't. Just make sure you are using that spackle knife. For time's sake, we applied some of the crystal knobs off camera, and we're just applying the last one on camera. These night lights are really nice to have, but we recommend that you get the push in, push out night lights. They work so much better for a project like this. If you're going to have this on the wall, it would be fine because all you have to do is turn it. But because it's going to set under the vanity tray, then it's best to have the push in, push out because it's more difficult to turn it. Although it does work as well, it's just a little more difficult to do. So this does complete our tutorial for today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you. You would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. And make sure to comment down below. We would love to hear your feedback. Till next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.